Good morning, students. This is Vipin Prohit. Welcome you in online study of Chemistry Corner. Dear students, in last time we have discussed a type of unit cell and a unit cell. So today we will discuss the number of atom in unit cell and crystal lattice. Clear? So we have already discussed there are four types of unit cell. First one is simple unit cell. Simple unit cell. Clear? So in simple unit cell we know atoms, ions or molecule arrange on only on at corner. This is identification for simple unit cell. Clear? So suppose take example of simple cubic lattice. This is simple unit cubic. This is clear. And now the simple unit cell have atoms, ions or molecule arranged on only on at corner. So there is 8 corner in simple cubic unit cell. There is 8 corner. Just you can arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? So case first, at corner in simple unit cell is 8. At corners in simple unit cell is 8. There is 8 corner in simple unit cell. Clear? Now one corner have one atom. Clear? And with respect to whole cubic, one corner play role with respect to unit cell, one corner will play a role equals to 1 by 8. Simple. So total atom in simple unit cell equals to 8. There is 8 corner and one corner play 1 by 8 equals to 1 atom. So dear student, the simple unit cell have one atoms which play formation of a whole crystal body. It play a role of one atom. Clear? Means simple unit cell gives one atom to formation of a whole crystal body. Clear? Now come to second point, BCC, body center cell. Clear? So BCC, in which with the corner atoms, ion and molecule are present in the center of body. Center of the body. Clear? Body center cell, in which with the corner atoms, ions and molecule are present in the center of the body. Clear? Suppose this is a simple unit cell. Again, clear? and 8 corner will contain 8 atom. 8 corner will contain 8 atom. But in BCC, the body will contain at the center of atom, at the center. This is center of the body. This is darkest atom. This is center of body. One atom will present at the center of body. Take example of square planar. Suppose this is a unit cell. Each corner contain one atom. Clear? So one atom will stay in the center of cell. This is identification. This center of atom is identification of BCC. This is identification of BCC. Why? Because at corner simple unit cell also have present 8 corner, but center simple unit cell does not contain center of atoms. Clear? So this is the identification of BCC. Now total number of atom. So total corner gives number of atom. Number of atom equals to 1 atom. Clear? And 1 atom present at the center of unit cell. So total 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So BCC have number of 2 atoms. Clear? Now third one, face center cell. Face center cell. The students, atoms, ions or molecules, atoms, ions or molecules are present with corner at each face of the unit cell. Clear? Now how? Let's take the example. Suppose this is the simple unit cell. Clear? And each corner will contain 1 atom. 8 corner will contain 8 atom, but each faces will contain 1 atom. This is 4 faces. This is last 2 faces. Clear? So there is in simple cubic have 6 faces and each face will contain 1 atom. Clear? So number of atoms in FCC. So with corner, at the corner will give 1 atom. बुलावे तुझे यारे आज मेरी गलियां बस. While 6 faces have 6 atom. Clear? While one face will contain 1/2 atom. Clear? So 6 faces contain 6 multiplied by 1/2 equals to 3. So the total number of atom in face center equals to 3 plus 1 equals to 4 atom. Now fourth one, end center. As previous, we have already discussed with corner atoms, with corners atom, ions, molecule are present at any opposite two faces. At any opposite two faces is the reference of end center cell. Clear? So suppose this is a simple unit cell and 8 corner will contain 8 atom. So any opposite faces, suppose one is above, so one is down. Suppose if one is left, other is right. Any opposite faces. Suppose, just take example of, suppose this is square planar and any opposite faces, suppose one is up, so other one is down. Clear? This is identification of end center cell. Any opposite two faces will contain two atoms. So the total number of atoms in end center cell. So it will be, suppose this is a square planar and the identification of end center I have already discussed. Any opposite two faces will contain two atoms at the edge faces. Clear? So 8 corner will contain 8 atoms and total number equals to 1 atom by the corner. Why? How? 8 multiplied by 1 by 8 equals to 1 atom. Clear? The example of simple unit cell is this one. This is the example. Suppose this is the simple unit cell. This is the simple unit cell and opposite two faces. Suppose one is above and other one is lower. Clear? So the opposite faces, will contain 2 multiplied by 1 by half equals to 1. Clear? So the total number of atoms